This is a ESE 519 project titled Smart Glove. So the motivation behind this project is that in an assembly or in factories where workers are involved in manufacture or in maintenance of products, for example, car services, it would aid workers for inspection of various components in the devices. So for this, we have a bunch of physical sensors mounted on the smart glove. In addition to that, we also have a few more sensors, for example, a barcode sensor and a camera, which gives the detail about a certain product. Also, the smart glove, we have made it more iterative in the sense that we have added a worker management system so that the manager could delegate tasks to the workers, so that the workers could get tasks and there would be automatic logging capabilities. So from here I would give it to Saira, where we would discuss the hardware components.
In this project we have 3 basic physical sensors, which include a current sensor, a temperature sensor and a voltage sensor. The voltage sensor was actually designed using simple resistor and a series diode circuit, whereas the temperature sensor is basically integrated with the BeagleBone using the I2C protocol, and the current sensor is also integrated with the BeagleBone using the same protocol, which is I2C. So right now I'm going to demonstrate some of the sensors first. The joystick is going to be our basic input device, whereas the LCD is our output device here. The joystick is also integrated with the BeagleBone through an ATC. First I'm going to go ahead and slide it to the left to move it to temperature. So if we touch the temperature sensor, to push it down to go into the temperature, touch the temperature, so as you can see the value of the temperature changes and it moves back to the normal value after the finger is removed. So I'm going to go ahead and move to the next sensor. So I'm going to demonstrate the barcode reader now. So the barcode reader basically is interfaced with the database that has one of the barcodes scanned, and it will output the whatever value we've given it in the database. So right now this particular barcode will show up as Vinay's driver's license, because that's how it has been stored in the database. So okay, so it shows up as Vinay's driver's license because that is how it was in the database. So now I'm going to slide to the next sensor, which is current. So this is our circuit here for the current. We're using some LEDs as the load, and as you can see, if the current sensor touches this circuit here, the LEDs will light up and the current shows as 12 milliamperes, which is basically what you can see right now. Now we will move ahead to the next sensor, which is the camera. So the camera is if I move the joystick down, the camera will take a picture, which is going to show up here, and the picture is going to be emailed to the manager. So here it is, the picture which is shown on the LCD, and it is going to be emailed to the manager. The email address, and it's going to show up. As you can see, the picture here is received through email. Now the voltage sensor is going to be demonstrated next. I'm going to move it down, and here the voltage sensor, this is connected to the same power supply, and we can see that the voltage here is displayed as 24 volts, and as you can see here, that is the voltage. If we increase the voltage to, for example, 18 now, 19 almost, so this is going to be displayed here on the LCD as 19 volts as well. And now Now, next we will demonstrate the web application. So the web app is actually interfaced with the SmartLab, and the web app is basically used to display the tasks that are assigned by the management for the workers. Right now we have one task in the web app, which is for this is one task that we have in the web app that is called the meeting, which is called meeting at 6. As you can see, this is our web interface. The manager can log into the web application, go to the main page, and here, as you can see, is the
As you can see, the task is meeting at 6 and the worker's name is Chandu. So if I want to change the task now, what I can do is I can delete this task and I can add a new task for this worker named Chandu. Say I can tell him meeting tomorrow at 9 AM, and I've just created the task, and this task is displayed on the LCD as well. So that is how you get new tasks when the manager adds it on the web interface. You can even the barcode is interfaced with the web app, so that as you scan more and more barcodes, the respective information will be displayed on the LCD screen. So the web application was a reach goal, and we were successfully able to integrate the web app with the LCD. I mean with the entire assembly, and so this is the project which we have done.
demonstration for our project. Thank you very much.